Good morning, everybody. Today is such an exciting day because Kensington is graduating from elementary school, and we just want to celebrate this big milestone by doing something really fun and special today. So for anybody who doesn't know, that lives I guess primarily up north, because I know when I grew up, my elementary school was K through 6th grade, and then middle school was just 7th and 8th grade. But for pretty much most of the time, I really haven't heard down here in the south, elementary schools are K through 5th grade, and then middle schools are 6th, 7th, and 8th grade. So she is graduating from elementary school as a 5th grader. We're so excited. And so I wanted to do something really fun and special today, and we haven't told the kids, but they're going to be super excited. There are a few things that I am trying so hard to squeeze in before we leave North Carolina that we have already done, but that were just such great memories. I want to do them one more time before we leave. And so one of the things is going to the Sylvan Heights Bird Park, which is located in Scotland Neck, North Carolina. Now, we had stopped there, I think it was last year, on the way home from one of Kensington's dance competitions, and the kids absolutely loved it. If you know anything about my son, he is like the biggest animal lover ever. He is just so good and natural with any kind of animals, and he absolutely loves birds, and he loves feeding them and taking care of them. And so anyway, this is going to be special for him too. So it is just going to be such a fun day. I'm so excited. Kenzi had a blast last time we went, and it is not close to our house at all. It's a little over an hour away, almost 2 hours away. So it's kind of going to be a little day trip. And then when we get home, we're probably going to need to get ready and shower and all that stuff, because I'm sure it's going to be super hot, and get ready for Kenzi's graduation. And so what they're doing for that is everybody is meeting at the elementary school. We are decorating our cars, and we're going to do a parade through the parking lot and just celebrate the students, because of course we're still social distancing, and this is how their school chose to celebrate their milestone of moving on to middle school. And so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go do that. And the teacher said that they had something special for the students, and I think it'll just be really nice and kind of like a closure to end the year, because of course they've been doing their Zoom meetings, but it'll be really nice for them to get to wave to their teachers and see them in person one last time. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna do a special takeout dinner for her. And yeah, so I'm super excited. So here we go. All right, we are back at Sylvan Heights Bird Park. All right, guys, we are out of the house. The Sylvan Heights Bird Park is open to the public. If you live in eastern North Carolina, you should definitely check this place out. It's so cool, really nice, so many shaded areas, lots of picnic areas, a little playground. It is beautiful. All right, if anybody is curious, they have this really cute cabin area where they have their restrooms. That is all open and available to use. All shaded over here. There's little benches outside. More picnic tables. Okay, the most exciting part, we're gonna go feed some parrots and flamingos. Arlie's so excited. Okay, we are in the landing zone, and this is where you can get really up close and personal with the flamingos, and you can hand feed them, which is so cool. They have the softest beaks, kind of like a duck beak. They're so soft because they're a water bird. There he is, cleaning himself. Looks like Harley got a birdie. Is she gonna feed the bird? Oh, she wants to give it a kiss. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Good job. Logan, it looks like, is trying to get some birds. And Kenzi's over here. She's trying to get some birds. Look how beautiful, guys. Oh my goodness. There he is. Woo, two birdies. Hi, bird. Oop, and here's another friend who just decided to hop on. It's a bird. Say hi. Are you a little nervous? It's okay. Say hi, bird. Hi, bird. Can you say hi? Hi. Oh, very sweet. She likes them and then she doesn't like them. Wow. Yeah, there's so many. They're beautiful. It's okay. Say hi. Is it birds? Harley is not sure about it. She likes them and then she doesn't like them. Wow, look at this guy. Wow, he's really pretty.
Bird land on your head?
It landed on her head. Oh my gosh, it's hilarious. A beautiful parrot.
Come over here, Ken.
Here we go. Hi. Hi, Mama.
It's okay, it's okay.
Why do they love me so much?
They're just getting crazy.
Look at all these beautiful birds.
Dad, they look lovely.
You're okay, you're okay.
So fun in the aviary. Logan is like a bird brain. He's got a bird on his head. Oh my goodness. So silly.
That's so not fair.
Look how pretty though. Look how pretty the colors are.
Yeah, it's on Logan's head.
Logan, look, he's got birdie on his head. Mommy didn't even put that one there. He's eating seeds off of his head. Oh my goodness. That's so funny. So the last time we were here, this was not open, but now they're selling food. And let's take a peek at the menu. The prices were pretty reasonable. So we can get a clear view. This is their menu. They've got hot dogs, sandwiches, some drinks, and fun food. Look at these beautiful two sun conures. They do not want to come off their branch. They must be full. They have full bellies. They're not having it. Oh, Logan got one. He got one. All right, there he goes.
What'd you do with his stick?
There he goes. Logan's got, hold him down a little bit. Hey Ben, Logan got a sun conure. Good job, buddy. Kenzi's trying so hard to get the other guy down. He's like, no, I don't want you. Let's see, is he gonna come? Come on, buddy. So pretty. Ooh, there he is. Okay.
Hey, you guys, stop fighting.
Wait, these guys are not to be fed, touched, or harassed. So we're just gonna let them be. They scared my kids because they made this really funny noise, like brrr. There's some swans.
And the baby.
With some baby swans. Chilling out in the water. It is so hot today. I need to be in the water. Not that water, like pool water, beach water. It's quite warm. We've taken a little walk down the nature path all the way down here to a little pavilion. Just a little nature walk. Oh, a little pond.
You can see them on that big stump right there.
Oh, yeah, some turtles over there. Okay. And another little pavilion in here. Nice and shaded. Look at this guy. He reminds me of Zazu from The Lion King.
Maybe it is Zazu.
Maybe. I don't think so. But he looks a little bit like him. He's pretty. Hey, buddy. Alrighty, and here we have some peacocks. Just chilling. It's a hot one today. Everybody's tired and taking breaks. Okay, we are entering the aviary. There's all kinds of birds in here. This guy is beautiful. Look at him. Oh, so pretty. Oh, I didn't even see those guys up there. It's super hot and humid in here. Some plum-headed parakeets. Well, he's the only one I see. That doesn't look very plum-headed unless it's maybe there's males, females, different colors. There's this guy up here at the top. Kookaburra. I always wonder what they look like from the song. Kookaburra sits in the old country.
Mary, Mary.
All right, we got our car all decorated for Kenzi's graduation today. You can't see that one up there. Let's see. Congratulations, 5th grade graduate. Her school was the Crocodiles.
I'm just gonna give you a hug.
All right. We're getting ready to celebrate our socially distanced 5th grade graduation for Kensington. Yay! Graduation day. 5th grade graduation. So exciting. All right, everyone, I hope you really enjoyed today's video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below, because again, that helps the channels to grow and helps the algorithm to push them out into the YouTube space. So yeah, today was just an exciting day, and if you have any questions about the bird park, if you want to leave those comments below, I can try to answer them for you. And we will see you next time. Remember to stay safe and be kind. Bye.